Auto mechanics don't want you to see this, and neither do the guys selling headlight restoration kits for 30 bucks a pop. Because right now, sitting in your kitchen cabinet, there's a $1 item that can turn your foggy, yellow, sun-damaged headlights back into showroom glass overnight. No sanding, no power tools, no trip to the auto parts store. And by the end of this video, you're going to wonder why nobody told you this years ago. Stick around, because the way this actually works is going to surprise you. Here's the problem almost every car owner deals with eventually. Your headlights start out crystal clear, and then a few years of sun, rain, and road grime later, they turn cloudy, yellow, almost foggy looking. It's not just ugly, it's dangerous. Cloudy headlights can cut your nighttime visibility by more than half. That's a real safety issue, not just a cosmetic one. So what do most people do? They either ignore it, or they go buy one of those headlight restoration kits at the auto store. Those kits usually run $20 to $40, and half the time they come with sandpaper you have to use by hand for 20 minutes per headlight, only for the cloudiness to creep back in a few months later. That's not a fix. That's a temporary band-aid you pay for twice a year. And don't even get me started on taking it to a detail shop. Some places charge over $100 for something that takes 10 minutes with the right item. Now, let me tell you where this trick actually comes from, because it's older than you'd think. Long before plastic headlight covers even existed, old school mechanics and even some Amish buggy repair shops used simple household items to clean and polish just about everything, from glass lanterns to metal fixtures. The plastic polycarbonate covers on modern headlights oxidize the same way old glass lanterns used to fog up, and the same basic principle applies. You don't need harsh chemicals, you need something mildly abrasive and slightly acidic to break down that oxidized layer without scratching the surface underneath. This trick got passed around garages for years, mechanic to mechanic, before the big auto care brands realized they could package it up, add some marketing, and sell it back to you for way more than it's worth. Once you see how simple the real method is, you'll understand exactly why they don't want this getting out. So let's get into it. Here's exactly what you need, and I guarantee you already have most of this at home. First, toothpaste. Not gel toothpaste, the white paste kind. The cheapest tube works just fine, about $1 at any store. Second, a soft microfiber cloth or an old cotton rag. Third, some plain water. That's it. That's the whole shopping list. Now here's the key part most people miss. It's not just any toothpaste that works best. It's the basic whitening kind, because it contains tiny abrasive particles like baking soda or silica that gently buff away the oxidized top layer of the plastic without scratching the clear coat underneath. Step 1, clean your headlights with soap and water first, and dry them completely. This matters more than people think, because if there's dirt or grit still on the surface, you're just grinding that dirt into the plastic when you start buffing. Step 2, squeeze a dime-sized amount of toothpaste directly onto your cloth. Step 3, in small circular motions, rub the toothpaste into the headlight for about 2 to 3 minutes per light. Don't press too hard, let the abrasive do the work, not your muscle. Step 4, wipe it off with a clean, damp cloth and take a look. You'll already notice a difference, but here's the part that makes this an overnight fix instead of a one-time swipe. Step 5, apply a second thin layer of toothpaste, but this time, leave it sitting on the headlight overnight. Don't wipe it off. Let it sit for at least 8 hours while the car is parked. In the morning, wipe it clean with a damp cloth, then dry it with a fresh dry cloth. Why does leaving it overnight matter so much? Because oxidation isn't just surface dirt, it's actually a chemical change in the plastic itself, tiny microscopic cracks and cloudy buildup. A quick wipe only handles the top layer. Letting the paste sit longer gives those mild abrasives time to keep working slowly into those microscopic imperfections, similar to how a slow overnight soak works better than a quick rinse when you're trying to lift a deep stain. This is the step almost nobody does, and it's exactly why the store-bought kits don't work as well, because their instructions tell you to wipe it off in 2 minutes for a quick fix that doesn't actually last. A few warnings before you try this. Do not use gel toothpaste. It doesn't have the abrasive particles you need, and it just won't work the same way. Also, don't use a rough cloth like an old towel. Stick with something soft like microfiber, because a rough cloth can cause tiny scratches. And please don't do this on a super hot sunny day. If the toothpaste dries out too fast under direct sun, it becomes harder to wipe off evenly and can leave streaks. So what results can you actually expect? If your headlights have mild to moderate yellowing, you'll likely see them go from cloudy and dull to nearly clear after just one overnight treatment. For headlights that are severely yellowed, deep years-old oxidation, you might need to repeat this 2 to 3 times over a few days for the best results. I've seen this method tested side by side against the store-bought $30 kits, and honestly, the toothpaste method holds up just as well, sometimes even better, because of that overnight soak step the kits don't tell you to do. And the best part, clearer headlights aren't just about looks. Studies show restoring headlight clarity can improve your nighttime visibility significantly, which means safer driving for you and everyone else on the road. Now, here's a quick bonus tip to make your results last even longer. After you finish restoring your headlights, rub a thin layer of car wax or even a small amount of baby oil over the clean surface. This creates a light protective barrier that slows down new oxidation from starting again, meaning you might go a full year or longer before you need to repeat this process. Most people skip this step and wonder why their headlights start clouding up again after just a couple months. So there you have it, $1, 10 minutes of actual work, and 1 overnight wait, and your headlights can look brand new again. No sanding, no expensive kits, no mechanic visit. If this trick saved you some money, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, drop a comment letting me know if this worked on your car, and give this video a like so more people can see it instead of getting scammed by those overpriced kits. Next time, I'm going to show you a $2 trick that stops rust from spreading on your car before it eats through the metal completely, and trust me, that one's even more surprising than this. Until then, stay sharp, stay frugal, and I'll see you in the next one.